Good afternoon, children. Let me welcome you to the online class. So, let us today take the lesson My Family as a Religion. My Family. So, be ready with your page number 108. My name of the lesson, My Family. Let me tell you what is the family means what. So, as you all live in your home, you all of you live in your home with your family members like father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, brothers, sisters, uncle, auntie, and all the remaining members of the family. It is called as a family. Understood? So, if you are living with your father, mother, and with your brother, sister, also a family only. Understood? If you are living only father, mother, and you alone, it is also called as a family. Understood? So, you all live in a family. Understood? You living together with your family members, it is called as a family. Understood? So now here in the from this lesson you are going to study about different families, pictures of different families. So let me show you family one here. So name of the lesson My Family. So this is the first family with the how many members? So grandfather, grandmother, back side father, mother, and the two children. Total members 6. Understood? So you must write the members of the members in the family are 6 members. Understood? Now in the family 2, there how many members are there? In the family 2, only 3 members: father, mother, and the daughter. Understood? So you must write here only 3 members. And in the family 3, how many members are there in family 3? Total here: grandfather, grandmother, 2 sons, 2 daughter-in-laws, and total 5 children. Understood? Means 6 plus 5, 11 members in the column here you must write. Understood? Totally. So first family 5 members, 6 members, second one 3 members, third one 11 members. Understood? Now next family. Look here in this family, how many are there? In family 4 you can see 5 members are there. So right here in the column 5 members. Understood? Now in the column what you are supposed to write is which family has the least number of members. Less members, it is the family 2. So in family 2 only least means less members in family 2 you must write in the first column. Understood? First column you write family 2. And how many members has, which family has many members? It is family 3 has many members. Least members in family 2. Least members in the family 2. Many members in family 3. Many members in family 3. And number of members in your family also write in the box given. Understood? How many members are there in your family? Count and write third column, third box. Understood? And here also again some 2 more families are given here in the black and white color. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 members in first family, 4 members in the second family, and totally family with least members is the second one. So tick mark in the box here. It is the least members number of family. So now next let me show you some more pictures here. This is there are 6 members in the Vimla's family. You can see here there are how many members are there in Vimla's family? 6 members. Let us see who are they. Let us see who are they. You can see. Let me show you who are the 6 members. You can see here grandfather, grandmother. Next also see mother is there, father is there, and 2 children are there, Vimla and her brother. They are ready to school. You can say they are going to the school. This picture. Understood? So these are how many members? Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, and Vimla and her brother. Understood? Total 6 members are there in Vimla's family. Understood? So now see here how their family members are helping. See there, you can see there grandfather telling story to the Vimla, and grandmother combing hair to the Vimla, and how the family members help, you see there. And also grandmother telling to, now mother is telling to study, mother is telling to teach the lesson here, mother is telling to read the, helping while reading the lesson. Father is guiding his daughter. Understood? And also they are also the picture, they are ready to go to school with the school dress. Understood? These all are the pictures of Vimla's family. Now some more pictures, let me show you. You can see here Vimla, observe the pictures. Vimla is going to her neighbor Radha's house. Vimla is going to her neighbor Radha's house. Understood? And she is going here, and she is dancing in the picture. Can you see here how boldly she is dancing? And her, who is helping her? She is going to Radha, her neighbor Radha is helping her while dancing. Understood? You can see the Radha sitting there and helping her while dancing. Understood? So these are the some pictures of Radha. Some more pictures let me show you. So you can see here a fat person, short person, lean person, and a curly haired girl and a long haired girl. So all these are different, all are different from each other. Understood? All are different from each other. Now here is the picture of children. You can see they are playing what game? Lagori they are playing, and you can see in the picture Janki, Farida, Salim, John and Ramesh are playing. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 members are playing there. Janki, Farida, and John, Salim, John, and Ramesh are the friends. They are studying in one class only, but all are different from each other with different caste and all. But they are to be playing together without fighting. You can see in the picture here. Now here is now let me tell you something about this. These all children are playing. They all look different. Or they all come to school together, and they wear school uniform. All study together and enjoy. And they are friends. They love and help one another. See, all they look different. Though they look different, but they all come to school together. They come to school together and they wear school uniform. All study together and enjoy. They are friends. They love and help one another. Don't you and your friends look different? Don't you play and study with your friends? Don't you help others and live together with love and affection? So, as you all are, in your class all are different, and all of you come to school together, and all of you wear school uniform, all study together and enjoy, and all of you are friends, and you all love each other. Understood? So in the same way, here is a song for you. Sing and enjoy. Let me show you. See here. Sing and enjoy. Though I am tall and you are short. Though I am tall and you are short, and of different colors we are. We sure are friends and study together in a school. See, some are short, some are tall, and with different colors. But sure we are friends to study together in school. Black and brown are our eyes, and long and short is our hair. Black and brown are our eyes, long and short is our hair, and nose and ears are different too, but still we are friends. Understood? But still we are friends. And we may be different from others to see, but we will still love to play together forever and ever to be. So this is a song for you to by heart. So try to by heart. Very nice song it is. Sing and enjoy. Now let me give you question answers on the Vimlas family. Take down. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First one. First one. First question. What is a small family? First one. What is a small family? What is a small family? Answer. Family with a family with a family with least members, family with least members is called a small family. Is called a small family. Family with least members is called small family. Second question. What is a large family? What is a large family? What is a large family? Answer. A family with many members is called a large family. A family with many members is called a large family. Is called a large family. Next, next question. When do your family members help you? When do your family members help you? Family members help why? Study, playing, studying, playing, and reading. Family members help while studying, playing, and doing work. Then here, fourth question. Question 4. What is Imla doing? What is Imla doing? What is Imla doing? Answer. What is Imla doing? Imla is dancing. Next, fifth one. Who is helping her? Who is helping her? Who is helping her? Answer. Radha is helping her. Radha is helping Imla. Radha is helping Imla. Next, sixth question. Do you help your neighbors? Do your neighbors help you in your Do you help your neighbors? 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 Answer. Yes. We help our neighbors. Neighbors means those who stay next to our house. Yes, we have our neighbors. Next question. Do your neighbors help you in your life? Help you. Do your neighbors help you? Do your neighbors help you? Yes, our neighbors help us. Yes, my neighbors help us. Help me. Yes, our neighbors help us. So these are the questions from the lesson My Family. So these are the few questions from the lesson. First one, second one, fourth one, fifth one, What is a family? A family with which members is called a small family. What is a large family? A family with many members is called a large family. When do your family members help you? Family members help while studying, playing and doing work. And what is Vimla doing? Vimla is dancing. Who is helping her? Radha is helping her. Radha is helping Vimla. Do you help your neighbors? Yes, we help our neighbors. Do your neighbors help you? Yes, our neighbors help us. So these are the few questions from the lesson My Family Usual. So try to write these answers in your classwork. Read the question, learn and write the question answers 2 times. So that is the homework for you. Understood? So this completes the lesson My Family. Thank you.